My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just kind of doing an unboxing. I got a couple things in the mail. We love mail stuff, and I kind of wanted to separate this from the vlog. So I don't always buy a lot of things, and I'm not always like shopping like crazy. So it's only sometimes I kind of go on these shopping sprees and things like that. So I did kind of go online and shop a little bit. So let's go ahead and open up these boxes. I'm trying to think, do I want to open up the BoxyCharm or something else? Let's just go ahead and get in. I think we'll do the BoxyCharm after, and then we can kind of just see what I bought. So this first box is from The Balm. I honestly can't remember what I bought, so we're just gonna, it's a surprise. It's like Christmas, because I ordered so much stuff from different websites and I can't remember what I got exactly. So it's like, oh, I forgot this was coming, or looks pretty. The Balm Cosmetics. I don't know what this is. How do I open this? Okay. So super cute packaging. Did I buy some lip stuff? What did I, oh, I remember. Okay. Super cute. So this is a palette that I purchased. I seen it and I was like, you know what? I want to get it. So I got it. Okay. Super cute. So the first thing I see in here is this Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. It's got a little woman. That is cute. It's so tiny. I think this was like a sample or something. Oh my goodness. It's a little book. That is so freaking cute. And it's just like a natural color, which I like to use right here, which is kind of what I used on here. And then let's open this. Why did they gotta ruin the sticker like that? What if I wanted the sticker? I might cut this out and put it on my planner. That's a good idea. So, see if I can carefully open this. I'll rip the paper because I can cut around that. They gave me a sticker. I don't need to cut it. I'm still gonna cut it out because I can put this on my laptop, or I can stick it somewhere. So I'm still gonna cut this one out. I'm still gonna save the paper. But ever since I've been planning and doing the planners, I'm always like, I can use that in my planner. I can use that in planner. Like postcards, literally anything. Okay, so we've got paper. And then this is it. It says, "What's the tea?" How cute. I seen this and I had to have it. Okay, cool. So it looks like this. And then this is why I bought it. Okay, you guys know I'm a crazy tea drinker. Look at that, little teas. That is so freaking cute. I love this. So we've got a black eyelid primer, like a normal primer, which is just like a nude, and those are both creams, but these are really super pretty. I just want to, and then this mirror, like, this is perfect for when you're in the hotel, when you're somewhere else. And then it has little macaroons around that. That is freaking cute. I don't know if you can see that. You just see me. I'm just gonna do a couple shades, like this one will do, and well, this is kind of a weird warm brown. And then I'll do this peachy color. Okay, so I did a couple of the colors that I thought would be cute. They seem really good. So I'm just gonna read you some of the names that are on here. Hey girl, hey, ooh la la, spill the beans, word on the street, on the down low, tell all. I just did a couple. This one was like more of like a shimmer. You can't really see them. I suck at swatching because I don't do it all the time, but that's that. Super freaking cute. The next box is the It Cosmetics. They came out with a new foundation, so I wanted to try it, and I heard a lot of great things, so I went and bought it too. I'll open this box. You are beautiful, you are it. So that's what the inside of the box looks like. That's cute. And I like that they have pink bubble wrap. see that. Okay, so I liked when I checked out of It Cosmetics, they're like, oh, you can get 3 free samples and you also get a tote bag. I was like, what? This is totally worth it. I'm getting it. So, same. I might save this sticker too. Okay, so let's kind of, I got a lot of stuff in here. So this is the foundation that I got. It's oil-free for all skin types. It's called Confidence in a Foundation. All Day Confidence, Long Wear, Weightless, Full Coverage, Velvet Matte Finish. And I love a good matte, so I wanted to try it. So this is it. And I got it in the color Medium Sand. I'm hoping that it's my color. I looked at them for a good minute, and I'm like, okay. Grab my scissors. Okay, take it out of here. You are beautiful. You are it. That's so cute. And then this is what it looks like. It has a squeezy top, which I like that. I like the little pumps. Perfect. Okay. And then what else did I get? Oh, I got the anti-aging matte bronzer. I hope this is a powder. I didn't even check. I hope it's not a liquid. Brightening and blush powder. So anti-aging matte bronzer, radiance, luminizer, and brightening. I thought I would kind of get something with all 3 so that I could try it out all at once. Open this. So it's a big old one, and this is so soft. That's like the first thing I noticed. On the back it says, "Your most beautiful you, laugh, love, live," and oh, that's cute. Nice big mirror. I don't know why I really like mirrors, but they're a big deal to me. Anyone else feel like that? But okay. Oh no, this little pan is like about to fall out. That is not okay. Go back in. Why won't it go back in? Don't make me take you out. Okay, it's not really fitting in there. I don't know why. Okay, I got it. So these are the colors, and this one says live, love, and laugh. So cool. I'm gonna try those out. I'm excited. I just like this in general, so pretty happy with that. And then they give you when you purchase a certain amount, they gave you a free sample of the Miracle Water Anti-Aging 3-in-1 Tonic Skin Brightening Radiance Booster, a anti-aging treatment essence, and skin softening cleanser. Cool. I thought it would be a really like kind of a big sample, but it's not very big. But I really wanted to try it. It's tiny, but cool. I'm gonna try this, and then the sample that I chose is Confidence in a Cream, and this is the this is just like a moisturizer. So I'm gonna try this and before I put on the foundation. So, and then I got the Bye Bye Under Cream, which I've heard a lot of things about this, and I heard it's really good. So I thought I would try that and sample that. And the last thing I got was the Secret Sauce. Okay. That was about it. I got a couple other things, but it was just like workout gloves, and I already knew what it was, and nothing too exciting. So let's go ahead and get into BoxyCharm. Okay. It says, "Hello, Charmer." So this is my first BoxyCharm ever, and I'm excited. Looks like it has a lot of, is this what everyone else got already? I think I'm getting a late box. But we'll do it anyway, because I started the subscription in the middle of last month. So we have a high definition liquid lipstick by Essence. Open it up. And this is a high definition lipstick. It's a little brown. Smells good. It's pretty color. Kind of looks darker on camera. Well, it's kind of dark. Okay. And then we have the Girl Lactic. What's Skin Glow Moonlight. So It's stuck? What is up with my pans today? Okay, so this one is empty. You can't tell, but this one's empty. And I think it's stuck up here. It's stuck on the mirror. Ew, what the hell? Okay, okay. Skin Glow and Moonlight. So what I want to say is you would put this on and then you would put your, oh, they're both like creamy. Okay, not crazy about them, but we'll give them a try. Look at that nasty mirror. I have to clean it, but cool. Woo. And then the Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. We love a good eyeshadow palette. Which I don't have any eyeshadow palettes from Tarte, do I? No, I always see them, but I don't have one. So it looks like this. Pretty, that is pretty. So open it up here. And it has, that's what it looks like. That's pretty. I like that. All of these shimmer shades I can go through pretty fast because that's pretty much what I use right here all the time, and they're all light. So this is actually really perfect. I am excited for this. The names are Escape, Teepee, Heat Wave, Malibu Rays, Compass, Jewel, and Treasure. And it also has a very good mirror, which is really important. So cool, that's awesome. What else is in here? We're gonna restock. I was about to go buy me a new mascara, and this has the Better Than Sex mascara, which I use the Stella Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, and I like that one just as much as I like this one. I like that one a little bit better, but this one is still like really good, crazy good. So awesome. I'll put that in my drawer. And then the last thing we have here is Tula Probiotic Skincare Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. Yes, thank you. I need one of these. I need more masks. So, and I like this packaging, like cute zipper and the little packaging. That's super freaking cute. I know I say that about everything, but about to throw one of these on right now. Ooh, look at that. Ah, that's cute. Oh, can I keep you? How do I get paper like this? Oh, that's so nice. But okay, so I forgot to show you guys this bag that also came with the It Cosmetics. And it's super cute because I love little tote bags. So I was like, yes, and excited. And then it's pink on the side, so perfect. Well, that's pretty much it for my unboxing of my mailbox. I can do more of these if you guys like. Like I said, I don't order a lot, so they would kind of be like sparingly here and there. I'm not gonna go order just random stuff so I can keep doing these, but when I do order stuff, then you know, I can do unboxing. Yeah, I believe that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks for joining me and hanging out in my universe. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.